Hi, my name is Nadia Manning-Thomas. I'm from the CGIAR ICT-KM program, and I'm really happy to be visiting the AfricaRice Center here in Cotonou in Benin this week. Today is February the 17th, 2011, and it's the second day of a knowledge management workshop that I've been invited to participate in and learn from and listen and share together with many colleagues from the AfricaRice Center. Yesterday we started with a general seminar looking at how can knowledge management help research. There's a whole load of tools out there, but how do we really identify which tools can help us to collaborate better, to communicate, to share, to engage and interact with our stakeholders, and to make sure that all of the knowledge that we generate is made available so people can find it, accessible so they can put their hands on it, and even applicable so that it's in formats that different types of stakeholders can really make use of to help with their decision making. Today we're getting a bit more with our hands dirty, doing some hands-on training. This morning I've been joined by this group of very passionate people to talk about collaboration, internal collaboration using CGIAR Exchange, which is a number of Google apps that are available to staff of the CGIAR. And this is to help us really collaborate and communicate with other CGIAR staff. With the change of the CGIAR and the consortium research programs, our version of internal is going to change. It's not just going to be people within AfricaRice, but for example, in the new GRISP CRP, we're going to have to think of ourselves as a bigger family between AfricaRice, IRI, and CIAT. And CGIAR Exchange offers things like Google Docs, Google Sites, Google Calendars, and much more to help us work together in that bigger family setting. We've also talked about data sharing, a very exciting but complex story about how do we really share data internally, but also let others outside know about what we're collecting as data, and even sharing some of it with our stakeholders and partners. Later this afternoon, we're going to be talking about social media, how we can really use some of the new social media tools and take advantage of them to showcase our research, communicate about what we're doing, and even in some cases, communicate the research. There's a wide, open, receptive target audience out there following social media that are ready and waiting for all of the great information from AfricaRice. So hopefully after this, we'll be seeing a lot more blogging, tweeting, photo sharing, video sharing, and even some academic social networking. So a lot of this will be shared via the ICT-KM website, www.ictkm.org. And we look forward to working more with the AfricaRice Center to really make sure that all of this great knowledge is shared with so many stakeholders in Africa who depend on rice for their livelihoods.